Hitting delete is like sweeping dirt under the rug. It's gone from your site, but anyone lifting the rug can still see the mess. So here's the deal. When you hit delete, your computer doesn't actually destroy the file. Nope, it's lazy. All it does is say, this space is free if we need it later. That means your file is still sitting there on your hard drive, like leftovers in the fridge you swore you threw out. And hackers know this. They use special programs, things like Recuva, Test Disk, or Autopsy, to go treasure hunting on your computer. It's basically dumpster diving, but for your digital trash. Even if the whole file isn't there, little leftovers remain. Hackers can piece them back together like a jigsaw puzzle. So how do you actually make deleted mean deleted? First option, overwriting. Think of it like painting over graffiti with 10 coats of paint. The original message is gone forever. Tools like dban or BleachBit do that automatically. Second option, encryption. It scrambles your files so badly that even if someone finds leftovers, it just looks like alien gibberish. Without the password, hackers might as well be staring at alphabet soup. And please, if you're selling your old laptop or phone, do not just hit delete and hand it over. That's like selling your car but leaving your Spotify playlist blasting. Awkward for you, hilarious for the buyer. So remember, delete doesn't mean gone. It just means out of sight, but still hanging around like that one friend who refuses to leave the party. If you don't clean up properly, hackers will happily do it for you.